Dear friends, I welcome you all to this Latex tutorial on how to avoid the word break that often happens in a line or at the end of a line. Okay, so we will take here a simple example. Here I have considered document class article, then I have used this blind text for generating some dummy text. Okay, so then I have used this use package for modifying the geometry of this page, or we can modify the margins of this page. Now we'll have the begin document. Okay, and here I have used this blind text. Okay, so we are giving the blind text here slash blind document. Okay, so this is nothing but a blind document. Here we have only one column. Here we can see that there is no word that breaks after the line. Now let us see, whenever we will be writing some paper or article for a journal, there might have two column, or in some specific cases 3 columns also might be there. Okay, so let us consider the 2 column format to divide this complete text into 2 columns. So we'll use here a 2 column command. Okay, so I am using here 2 column. Okay, now let us run this, and now we can see that we have 2 column here. Let us zoom it. Now you can see here that there are so many lines that have a word break after this line. Okay, for this line, this continuously we have word break. Okay, or this hyphenation after this line. Okay, so how to avoid this hyphenation and how to make this text look better or it's more readable. Okay, for doing this we'll make some settings so that this hyphenation can be removed. Okay, so first of all we will use here a setting called as the tolerance slash tolerance. Okay, and we will set it to equal to 1. Now let us understand what is this tolerance setting. Okay, so the tolerance setting influences the paragraph breaking routine itself. Okay, this tolerance setting influences the paragraph breaking routine. Okay, and it actually affects which line breaks are chosen. If we set a higher value here, it will allow worse lines to be accepted. If we give here suppose 1000, 10,000. Okay, 10,000 is the highest value. Okay, so if we give here a higher value, okay, that means it will accept a worse line. If we give here 10,000, implies or indicates anything at all is acceptable. Here the point to be noted that a lower value would look the paragraph better. Here if we use here a lower value, that means I have used here a lower value of 1, it will look the paragraph better. Okay, but because we do not want to see the paragraph to look worse. Okay, however this one value increases the chance of break at the end of the word of the line, that it still does not eliminate the word breaking. Okay, after the line. Then we will use here another setting, that is emergency strats. Okay, I will again use here a emergency strats. Okay, it will also have certain value. The function of this emergency strats is that it tries to set extra pass pretending that every line has an additional stretchable glue, or it allows all the stretch to the line. That means it will allow these lines to stretch. That means the gap in between the lines, it will try to expand or contract. Okay, and we will set this to maximum dimension slash maxdimen. This is nothing but maximum dimension. Then we will use here another setting, that is slash hyphen penalty. Okay, we will use here this next setting, that is hyphen penalty. Okay, this hyphen penalty we will set it to 10,000. This 10,000 means here it will try to suppress the hyphenation completely. That means if we use here 10,000, it will completely suppress this hyphenation at the line break. Okay, so if we want to remove all this hyphenation, then we have to use here 10,000. Okay, again we will use here another setting. Okay, h badness, and we will set it to 10,000. This slash h badness is a measure how much white space has to stretch or sink in order to make the breakpoints align with the margin of the space. So after removing the hyphenation, it will make the document such that the words are aligned along with the margin. These are all the settings to make this hyphenation eliminated. Okay. So now let us run it again. So now we can see that there is no hyphenation. Okay, you can see here there is no hyphenation. Here the space is getting more, but in all the document you can see that there is not a single hyphenation at the end of the line. However, you can see that these white spaces are increasing. Okay, so this is one of the disadvantages, but you can see that the hyphenation problem is completely eliminated. So this much for today. So in this video we saw how to eliminate the hyphenation. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.